seasons. Their last win here was back in 2018 against the French, and since that time, a couple of losses and a couple of draws. So out come the visitors, and surely now regarded as one of the greats of Argentinian rugby. Pablo Matera again resumes the captaincy tonight. The big number 6, of course, has a great insight into New Zealand rugby, and coach Scott Robertson after his season with the Crusaders in 2022. Well, the All Blacks this season also played 3 games, so far unbeaten. The 2 wins over England, tight matches, and the romp in San Diego against Fiji, and out comes Adi Savia and the All Blacks. Well, the form this season for Anton Lienert-Brown has been so compelling that it was only a matter of time before he got a start. Lienert-Brown has been an All Black since 2016. Tonight looks to cement himself in that number 13 jersey. So the 2 teams forming up now for the respective national anthems of Argentina and New Zealand.
If you are able, would you please be upstanding and join us in the singing of the Argentina national anthem, performed by Carlos Navai, and New Zealand national anthem, performed by Louis Baker.
Sean eternos los laureles que supimos conseguir, coronados de gloria vivamos, oh juremos con gloria morir, oh juremos con gloria morir, oh juremos con gloria morir.
God of nations at thy feet, in the arms of love we meet. Hear our voices we entreat, defend our free lands. The Pacific's triple star from the shafts of strife and war. Make her praises heard afar. The defend New Zealand.
Lewis Baker with the New Zealand national anthem, Carlos Navai with the Argentinian national anthem, as the All Blacks move across to do the haka. Argentina with 2 wins over the All Blacks in the last 4 years, in 2020 in Sydney and 2022 in Christchurch. And many of these players have faced the haka on a number of occasions.